Mela, min fejn nibda tajt. What should be the topic of this video? Yes, we have the collections. Let's put them accordingly how they will be shown. My babies. My first baby. Thank you. Oh, Jason. Thank you very much. Hello everyone. Oh well. Hello everyone. And welcome back to another episode from Rescoli by Carlo. What are we going to discuss or do today? Basically, we are showing you some of our quirky stuff, and basically they are all our creations, and they are obviously for sale if you're interested to have one or more of these items. So let's start. We are doing a little shift from being just furniture painters to being crafters and artists. What's the difference? The difference is, well, my background, apart from the social field, is also from the arts and cultural sections. And we are blending everything together to create these new things. So even as RescoliByCarlo, the shop, our target is to become a boutique shop, focusing on creating new and exciting stuff as gifts or as home decor. So we've lately been working on collections. And what are these collections? Mainly we started with the Hope collection. In these trying times, we tried to focus a little bit on some optimism, or at least some hope for a better future. So we started with this Hope collection. There were 7 of these. Some of them have already been sold. What are these? Basically, these are wooden plaques. We asked one of our friends to do basically to join pieces of unwanted wood together and build up the base. What do we have here? We have a compendium of different techniques. Keep in mind that everything that we do is unique, and there won't be any other replica. So if you have this one, for example, there won't be another one like it. So it's original and unique, with a mixed media process. What we did here, basically we used 2 colors as base with crackling. We did some decoupage. We used these molds, and we did also some stenciling. So these are different techniques. You can find also how to apply them on our YouTube channel. And this basically is one of the Hope collection. We also used some gold, Frenchic, and we did some browning wax to give it more of an aura of an old looking piece. So let me show you close up. At the end of the video, I will be showing you exactly what's in store. So as you see, we have the crackle here, we have the mold obviously, and then here you can see the application of the crackle even on the molds, and the different colors coming from the back of it, and the gold, the browning wax, and the stenciling, and everything in between. Another collection we worked on And these go thanks to my sisters as well, because they gave me quite a helping hand in doing them, and also my brother, who is doing the editing and putting these videos online. We did this. This is one of the second collection, which is the Monochrome collection. We had the same methods, but we decided to have a background in different shades. We used black, so black and white. We had some other molds as well, and instead of gold we used bronze. And here you can see how it goes and how it blends. So we used one or two letters from the monochrome word. You can apply this C for Carlo. You can use it as your initial or as part of the collection. So if the letter means something to you, then you can basically have it, you can purchase it at our shop. Now, if you want any particular type of plaque to use as a decorative item, let us know. You can contact us through YouTube. Obviously, remember to subscribe, always. And underneath this video, you can put your comments. You can also contact us through the website, which is RescoliByCarlo.com, and there is a section where you can send us a message. And you can also contact us through our Facebook page, which is RescoliByCarlo. And in the photos section, there is an album with everything that is on sale, sizes and pricing written underneath every image. So we're trying to make it easier for you to see what we have on offer and what you can actually ask us to do for you. So the more creative and the more quirky, the better for us, because we can use all our skills. Here I have another collection. This is a small collection. It's 3-part collection, which is basically related to the kitchen. And we have here coffee. So if you have a coffee bar or a coffee corner, this would be perfect for you and your kitchen. We used the same, we used a crackle effect. We did some raised stenciling with the words. We did some decoupage here and decoupage here, and then we went with the browning wax. Here you can see a little bit of detail. Also, this was built on an old, unused kitchen cupboards. So these 3 pieces are made from the same mold. They are the same sizes. 2 are horizontal and 1 is vertical, so you can apply whatever you want. And finally, for today, but we have already a lot of collections coming in. We just need some time to work on them and make them really up to your tastes, and obviously so that you can enjoy them. We have a work in progress which is called the Boudoir collection, and you might be seeing this on TV or on our YouTube channel, RescoliByCarlo. There is a folder with our TV programs where we were involved, called Vale, and their program 12 yearly. Program 12 is the program where I show how this was completely done. So this was the first piece of our boudoir collection. It is also a kitchen cabinet which was unused, and we did some blending. We have 3 colors here. We did some browning wax as well, and we have an image transfer up here and some decoupage below here, and we did also some stenciling. So basically we wanted to blend in everything together, and we hope that we managed with this. So I'm breathless. I hope you have enjoyed this episode. These are some curiosities that you might find at our shop from time to time, and we hope that we can see you either at our shop or contact us through our social media platforms, and we can help you out. Remember, subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can find the subscribe button underneath this video, and you can watch all our videos about hundreds, and they're increasing weekly. So make sure that you follow us and give us your feedback on what you want to see on our YouTube channel and how we can help you out in decorating your homes. Thank you very much for following us. Ta-ta. See you next time.